Good morning, kids. Open your phonics book to the page number 3030. We have finished our A sound and E sound words. Today we are going to learn about I sound words. What is the sound of I? The sound of I is E. Okay. Write CW in the middle of the page and in the left corner write today's date. That is 25/11/2020, 25th November 2020. We'll just read out the words. Okay. BIB bib, BEB bib, NIB nib, NEB nib, SIT sit, SIT sit, SIX six, SIX six, PIN pin, PIN pin, ZIP zip, ZIP zip, FISH fish, DISH dish, HILL hill. These are the words which are comes with the letter I. Okay, these are the words which is having I sound words. Okay, on the next page we are having more words. BIG big, BEG big, DIG dig, DEG dig, FIG fig, FIG fig, WIG wig, WIG wig. Now we are having ID sound words. ID means id. Okay, id, id, DID did, DID did, HID hid, HID hid, KID kid, KID kid, LID lid, LID lid. Then you have in sound words. BIN bin, BIN bin, FIN fin, FIN fin, TIN tin, TIN tin, WIN win, WIN win. Then you have it, it sound words. BIT bit, BIT bit, FIT fit, FIT fit, KIT kit, KIT kit, LIT lit, LIT lit, PIT pit, PIT pit. Then you have IP ip sound. DIP dip, DIP dip, HIP hip, HIP hip, LIP lip, LIP lip, SIP sip, SIP sip, TIP tip, TIP tip, SHIP ship, SHIP ship. Then you have ill sound words. BILL bill, FILL fill, MILL mill, PILL pill, WILL will. So these are all the words which comes with the I sound words. Okay, you have to read these all the words with the phonic sound and with the spelling. Like now I have read. Okay, after that open your English notebook. We have finished writing A sound words. Okay, A sound words आपने लिखे हैं. आज हम लिखेंगे E sound words और I sound words. Okay, write CW in the middle of the page and in the left corner write today's date. Okay, tell your mama to make 3 columns for you. And in the first line tell your mama to write the words which I am giving you now. Okay, each word you have to write 3 times. First, BED bed, BED bed. Then you have RED red, red, red. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. M-E-N, men. M-E-N, men. W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. B-E-G, beg. B-E-G, beg. Tell your mama to write these 10 words for you, and in front of all the words you have to write 3 times like this. Okay, right? When you are writing, say the spelling and also phonic sound. Okay, B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. ऐसे आपको बोलते हुए लिखना है. ओके, द whole words you have to write with the phonic sound. Okay, after that on the next page write again CW and today's date. Okay, today now we will write I sound words. Okay, now we will write I sound words. B-I-B, bib. B-E-B, bib. N-I-B, nib. N-E-B, nib. S-I-T, sit. S-E-T, sit. S-I-X, six. S-E-X, six. P-I-N, pin. P-E-N, pin. Z-I-P, zip. Z-E-P, zip. D-I-D, did. D-E-D, did. K-I-D, kid. K-E-D, kid. B-I-N, bin. B-E-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. T-E-N, tin. W-I-N, win. W-E-N, win. मम्मा को बोलो ये लाइन लिख के देने के लिए. ओके, देन टेल योर मम्मा टू मेक 3 columns for you, and that 3 columns you have to write by yourself with the phonic and spelling, with the phonic sound and spelling. Okay, B-I-B, bib. B-E-B, bib. N-I-B, nib. N-E-B, nib. ऐसे आपको phonic sound और spelling बोलते हुए लिखना है. Okay, after that open your मैथ्स नोटबुक. ओके, मैथ्स नोटबुक में हमने 41 तक लिखा है, और हमने अपने न्यूमरसी स्किल बुक में 44 तक अपने नंबर्स ख़त्म किए. 46, सॉरी, वी हैव फिनिश्ड टिल आवर नंबर्स 44. राइट HW and today's date. Okay, tell your mama to write first line for you, that is 4 to 42. 4 to 42. 4 to 42. 4 to 42. Okay, full page आपको 4 to 42 लिखना है. Okay, 4 to 42. ऐसे आफ्टर each number you have to leave one box. Okay, ऐसे आपको फुल पेज 42 लिखना है. 42 ख़त्म होने के बाद अगेन राइट HW and today's date, and your number will be 4343. Okay, 2 times 43 and 2 times 44. Okay, ऐसे आपको लिखना है. How you will write? 4343. 4 and then 343. ऐसे आपको फुल 2 लाइन्स 43 के लिखने हैं. आफ्टर 43 विच नंबर विल बी देयर? 4444. ओके, 4444. 4444. So what is your today's work? You have to write 42, 44 number. in your in your maths notebook, and E sound words and I sound words you have to write in your maths notebook. Okay, and as well as you have to read all the A, E, I sound words from your phonics book. Okay, thank you.